Hello, hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome back to another video. I hope you all have been doing good this week. I have just been doing vacation things. So obviously today I have something to talk about, which is this hair that I have in right now. And I've been wearing this hair all day long, and it did actually rain earlier, or it's like raining now actually. So my hair is kind of like from the humidity, but I don't think it looks that bad after like wearing it and then being rained on, you know what I mean? So this is actually my halo extension, and I wanted to tell you guys about it because it literally takes like 2 to 3 minutes to put it in your hair, and that's it. Like, even if you're not good at doing hair extensions, you can definitely put a halo on your hair. So I got mine from Amazon. It's actually the Full Shine brand from Amazon. It was less than $100, so that's really good because it is real human hair, meaning you can treat it as your natural hair: wash, dry, curl, straighten, crimp, condition, trim it. You can cut it to however long you want. You can put layers in it, like whatever you want to do with it. It is so easy to install. I'm actually going to take it out right now and show you guys just how simple this is to install. That way, in case you want to get yourself one, you can. So this is what my hair looks like right now, and you've seen me before. If you've been here before, you know I just have really thin hair. So this is 90 grams of hair, and I will say if you have super thick hair, you're going to need more grams than 90 for sure. So you'll want to get a thicker one, but they have every color, different textures and styles. They even have like really short ones in case you just want to keep the length of hair that you already have but want to make it look thick. I'm actually going to go in and trim mine, like for some more layers, because these are pretty long. These are 18-inch, so that is really long hair. But I'm going to go ahead and take this out right now and just show you how simple. First of all, I want to show you my head. You can't see this thing. You cannot see this, okay? So here she goes. Here she goes. Okay? It's beautiful hair, isn't it? Now, this is my natural hair. Like I said, it's all frizzy because it rained and stuff. But this is what my hair looks like without that piece in there. Huge difference. So my hair is really thin. I have really fine hair. It's not thinning. I just don't have a lot of hair because I have little fine pieces. So this is literally all of my hair, this right here. So when I add the extensions, as you can tell, it made it so much more luxurious, right? So this actually is like a clear wire that goes on top of your head. And then the weft back here comes with 2 clips. Now, these are actually Velcroed, and they are very strong Velcro. So if I try to take it off, it's like really hard. Do you hear that? So these actually come with it in the bag. So you can actually place these wherever you want them on your weft, wherever you feel like it's most comfortable for you. So it comes with the 2 clips, and it does actually come with an extra wire as well in case something happens to yours, it breaks. This is adjustable, so you will adjust it to your head shape, your head size. And that way it fits you comfortably. Like I said, I've wore this. This is not the first time I've wore this. I've wore this before like all day long, even to the point where I was like, okay, I'm getting hot. I'm going to put it in a ponytail. And this did not make my head sore whatsoever or anything. Again, it's 90 grams of hair, so it's not heavy. But if you have much or thick hair, you're going to want more grams than 90 because, this one piece is not going to do well for super thick hair, but anybody with like medium to thin, this is awesome. So I'm going to show you how to put this on. Actually, I'm just going to use the hair bow. I'm going to use the camera as my viewfinder. All right, you just want to put up enough hair that when it lays down, it will cover up the extension so that it is undetectable. Okay, so here we go. We're just going to lay that right there where we sectioned that part. We're just going to lay that clear wire part right there. And then you are going to let the extension fall and hang where you have adjusted it and clip it in, and that's it. That's literally it. It's gonna be just like that. And that is your hair. And then you will just take your top section down, and I'm not in the bathroom obviously right now because I'm just trying to show you this, but you will take the top section down and you will just brush it over. And I do have a comb here, so the only thing you have to do to this clear wire is brush some hair over it. Just brush. I mean, you can just brush right over it. It's perfectly fine. Then you can brush your hair into it. And boom. That is it. That is as fast. And you can, like I said, curl this while it's in your hair. Like, whatever. You cannot see it. No, you cannot. You can take your curling iron or your flat iron and get these pieces together so that it will blend perfectly. You can tuck your hair behind your ear. It's not a problem. You can wear this in a low ponytail. You're not going to be able to wear it in a high ponytail because of where the weft sits and, you know, how the wire is and everything, but you can do a low ponytail. So I will show you the back. And again, I'm not in the bathroom blending this in, but it looks rather good. You know, once you blend your hair into it, that's what it looks like. It's really pretty. I really like it. Once I have makeup on and actually like curl this and all that, it really, really looks gorgeous. So highly recommend. Love this hair. It's so good. It's so soft. It's not dried out or anything. I love that you can wash it and do all the things so it can be clean and it looks like natural hair. And again, they have highlighted ones, balayage ones, curly ones, like they had everything. So I will leave their link down below. And I believe they had that little thing you can click and get a discount too. So it's really much cheaper that way. So love you guys. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.